Hey, what's up? It's Universal GABE here, just on my shitty ass bike, but daily bike ride. Just wanted to do a vlog, guys. I'm so sorry we did not upload yesterday, but yeah, I'm just riding down 19. I'm planning not a music video. I guess you could call it a music video, but there's not gonna be like mouthing of words, you know, like a regular music video would be. But it's just gonna be a bunch of scenery. I went to multiple places, a state park. I went to multiple places. It was beautiful out. Today was the final shoot, you know, if you want to call it that, of the video. So all I gotta do is record it. Unfortunately, I don't have my laptop with me right now, so I cannot record it until Friday, which sucks ass. But yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy that video when I upload it. But yeah, just doing a daily vlog. Alright, let's get home. Hey guys, and now I'm home. Yeah, I got a
Wait till
job.
you see the. No.
I'll be able to get it.
Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips. Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Nigga, I swear to God, you better stop roasting my swear.